Good morning, students. Today we will continue our remaining portion of the topic. But before we start our today's session, let's have a small recap what we had learned till now. So, let us start our revision. Stereotype. In previous video, we had talked about stereotype. When we fix people into one image, and that is known as stereotype. People can create stereotype on the basis of country, religion, sex, race, economic background. In stereotype, large number of people set one pattern or one type that is known as stereotype. And what happened due to the stereotype? We stop looking at each person in a unique form, and we also avoid or skip the each and every individual his and her special qualities and skill which they have. Inequality and discrimination. In previous video we had talked about that discrimination can be on the basis of several reasons. It can be in the form of diversity, economic background, diversity in the form of different languages, religion, region, and when we are talking about economic background, the people may be poor, they belong to some specific similar side by group, tribals areas, economically backward region. They do not get equal opportunities, equal resources to make them developed in different economic backward area. Then there are certain kinds of work value in society more than other works, and who are doing this type of task are considered as manual, which is considered as impure and giving less importance in the society. So now today's topic we will continue, that is a caste system. In previous video we had talked about caste system, that in India there are division of caste system on the basis of 4 categories, that is on the Brahman, Kshatriya, Shudra and Vaishya. Till this much we had read in previous video. Now, as we know, the people worked in our country basis on their caste. Some group, those who are doing the jobs, they are considered as manual, and they are considered as an untouchable in the society. People call themselves as a Dalit, and here the meaning of Dalit means broken. People had represented due to social prejudice and discrimination they had faced in the society, and the government refers to this type of groups of people considered as a scheduled caste or ST. Now let us see some examples on the basis of caste system in our country. Children's are not allowed to sit next to the children of other caste in the school because they are belongs to lower caste. They are not allowed to enter in the temples also. They are living outside the village. Even they were not allowed to take water from the village well also. Now, next point is in your book is introduction or discussion about the Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now, Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on 1891, death in 1956. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was considered as a father of Indian Constitution and even he known for the leader of the Dalit community. He even fought for the rights of Dalit community. He even belongs to Mahants caste, which generally considered as a poor, even they do not have their own lands. They had a mindset the children have to continue their work as the parents they are doing. As the parents are doing that work, they have to follow. Next, he was the first person from his caste who has completed his school, college education, even he went to England to study the law. Even he encouraged Dalits to send their children to the school and colleges. Later in his life, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar converted him to Buddhism. Even Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has faced one of the discrimination in the society when he was 9 years old. One of the incident is explained in your textbook. It was the incident when he was 9 years old and he was waiting for father or his servant to come, but they neither had come and they did not know how to reach Goregaon. So, he and his cousins were waiting at the railway station, but their parents or the servant yet not came. So they decided to take a bullock cart to reach Goregaon. But no one is ready to take them to Goregaon. Even they want to pay high price. No one is ready to take them just because they are belong to lower caste. And this shows discrimination in the society in even before and independence. Now, striving for inequality. During freedom struggle against British rule, many peoples were fought for their inequality that they had faced by them. Dalits want permission to enter in the temples. Even women want equal rights regarding equal rights to education as the equal opportunity is given to the men. Peasants and tribals also fought against high interest charged by them from money lenders. And this shows how the discrimination was facing by the people and how they fight for their rights. Now, Constitution. What was the effect of Constitution for in our life? But before we start this topic, let's have to understand what is Constitution. Constitution is a document laid by the rules by which the nation have to function. There are so many leaders who wrote the Constitution, and from one of them there was involvement of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and through this Constitution they want to remove the inequality that was in our society. Even they want equality of all the people in our society, and they want all Indians should be united. They have only one goal, that all people get equal rights and equal opportunity. There should not be any discrimination. Even in the society there is a untouchability, and this discrimination, if anyone being done by these people, they will get a punishment. And the discrimination on the basis of untouchability, it considered as a crime in the Constitution. Constitution even said the respect for the diversity, that was an element to ensure the equality amongst us. People felt that must have freedom to follow their religion, languages they are speaking. They had a right to celebrate their festivals, and even they had an freedom to express themselves freely. There is a no languages, no religion, festivals should be compulsory for all to follow. They had rights that they can follow any religion, any festival, any languages by them. In the eye of government, all the people, all the religion are treated as equally. As we know, India has become a secular country, and people from different religion have different faith, different practices, and even follows different religion without any fear of discrimination. This shows that it is an important element of our country that shows our unity. Now, equality. So, What is the meaning of equality? That state of being equal. It is one of the ideal of the democracy country where they had to fight to attain different kinds of equality on the basis of equality on race, equality on gender, equality of equal opportunity between rich and poor, even equality in development surrounded by everything. Each and every people considered as truly equal. There are some inequalities which still exist in our society. So, the page of Constitution, which is considered as preamble, people had to struggle and even have some positive actions taken by the government are the necessary to make this reality for Indians. Even citizens are entitled to get equal status and equal opportunity. Thank you, class. Now the chapter is end. So hope you like the chapter and understood by you.